The MA Fast Track program, Medical Assistant Fast Track program, is a program designed specifically for Mayo Clinic Health System by Western Technical College.
Right now, there's a medical assistant shortage pretty much everywhere in the country.
It takes 28 weeks to get these medical assistants trained and prepped and in the workforce. How can we do that faster?
So it was giving an opportunity to our patient care specialist to get through that program a little bit quicker than the traditional program. During the pandemic, there was a hard time hiring enough medical assistants. So we started hiring patient care specialists, which has worked really well and has served its purpose. But there are certainly some gaps. Just working with the patients and being able to do more skills within the care team, the medication administration.
Mayo Clinic Health System is very focused on well-being for our employees, advancing them if they choose to do so, and pursue new careers and professions.
Many of the patient care specialists voiced concerns about the traditional program, being able to take time off work.
So that's kind of where everything started, was trying to figure out, okay, how can we get these people in the workforce sooner rather than later?
They're already out in the clinical site and in the field. So I teach them a skill, they demonstrate the skill, I see them do it, and then they go out to their site and under the supervision of a preceptor, they can do it.
They're really excited to be able to do more hands-on procedures with the patients and be more integrated with the care team. And then just the energy that they're bringing to the department and the excitement to learn.
We're so thankful for our collaboration with Western Technical College. The innovative thinking, the problem solving, the seeing the workforce needs, and how do we cater to those employees, students, rather than just saying, here's a curriculum, make it work. Just that innovative thinking, I think, is so unique to Western Technical College.